Welcome back. Last class we are doing problems in exponents. So we continue the class. So in the today's class, the first problem is identify the greater numbers. Okay. So here we get some numbers which is in exponential form. In that the first one is 2 cube or 3 square. 2 cube or 3 square. So we have to identify which is a greater number. It's very easy to solve this. So this is an exponential form given to us 2 cube and 3 square. So first we'll solve 2 cube and 3 square. So how to solve 2 cube? First I'll take 2 cube. I'll expand this 2 cube. So that means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the result of 2 cube is nothing but 8. Then I'll take 3 square. So the result, before writing the result, we will write in expanded form 3 into 3. That is 3 into 3 is 9. So which is greater in these two? 9 is greater than 8. So when we are seeing in exponential form, which one will be greater? Clearly 3 square is greater than 2 cube. Okay. So 3 square is greater than 2 cube. So this is the first one. Now we will go to the second one. So in the second one we have 5 cube or 3 power 5. 5 cube or 3 power 5. Which one is greater? So in order to find out which one is greater, we will solve this. So first you take 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So after writing in expanded form, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are. You have to continue. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are is 125. So I'll write 125. Okay. Now we have 3 to the power of 5. So write this 3 to the power of 5 and write, see, this 3 I'll write 5 times. Okay. Now we'll multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 into 3 is 243. 81 into 3 is 243. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 into 3 is 243. So which is greater? 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power 3 because 243 is greater than 125. So 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power 3. So we write 3 power 5 is greater than 5 power 3. Okay. So the second one is completed. Then after that we have one more problem, that is 2 power 8 or 8 square. 2 to the power of 8 or 8 square we have. So first we will expand 2 power 8. So 2 power 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into, we need to write 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will find out the result. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 into 2, 256. So you can write 256. Okay. So now 8 square is nothing but 8 into 8, that is equal to 64 we are getting. Now which is greater? Clearly 256 is greater than 64. So we write 2 to the power of 8 is greater than 8 square. Okay. So this is completed. Next question. If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, find the value of, the first one is A power B plus B power A. So here the A value is 3, B value is 2. I'll just substitute instead of A power B plus B power A. So the first one is, see, I'm substituting 3 power 2 plus 2 to the power of 3, right? So now what is 3 square? 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3 plus 2 cube means 2 we need to write 3 times. 2 we have to write product of terms in as 3 times. So 3 3s are 9 plus 8 we get. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So the first bit is completed. Now the second one. What is second one? A to the power of A plus B to the power of A. So now what is A? it is 3. Again power a, so power 3. B is 2 to the power of 2, right? Now what is 3 cube? 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2. We expanded now. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We write 27 plus 2 2s are 4. 27 plus 4 is 31. So this is over. Okay. Now the third bit what we have is a plus b whole power b. A plus b whole power b. So here we will substitute a plus b. A is 3, b is 2. Whole power b, it is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, power 2. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, power 2 as it is. What is 5 square? It is 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. So third one is over. I will go to the fourth one. So fourth one is a minus b whole power a. So we substitute a and b now. So a value is 3, b value is 2, whole power a is nothing but 3, right? Now 3 minus 2 whole power 3 we have. 3 minus 2 is 1 power 3. See what is 1 power 3? 1 power 3 means 1 into 1 into 1. See 1 power anything is 1. Remember 1 power anything is 1. 1 power anything is 1. See 1 power 3 means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So 1 power anything is 1. So here the result is 1. Okay. So this is completed. So now next it's a second exercise. So the second exercise, the first problem is simplify the following using laws of exponents. So the last class I have given the laws of exponents, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So all those laws which we have discussed in the last class, using those laws we will solve these problems. So the first problem is simplify using the laws of exponents. Okay. So the first problem in this is today's is 2 power 10 into 2 power 4. 2 power 10 into 2 power 4. See here the bases are same. What is the base? 2. Here the base is 2 and they are in product. So what is the formula we use? It is x to the power of m into x to the power of n. It is x to the power of m plus n. So here 2 to the power of 10 into 2 to the power of 4, x power m into x power n. You compare with this. So it is x to the power of m plus n. So instead of x we have 2, base is x. So the base in the problem is 2. So answer will be 2 to the power of 10 plus 4, that is 2 to the power of 14. So remember whenever you have same bases and they are in product, you have to add the powers. So answer is 2 to the power of 14. So this is first one. The second one is 3 square into 3 square whole power 4. 3 square into 3 square whole power 4, right? So here first what we do is we simplify this 3 square whole power 4. How to simplify? See we have a formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of m into n. A power m whole power m is nothing but a to the power of m into n. So we have 3 square into 3 to the power of, just multiply, 2 4s are 8, we get 3 power 8. Now the bases are same. So this is of the form x power m into x power n. So x power m plus n. So 3 power 2 plus 8. So clearly it is 3 power 10. Okay. So second one is completed. Now the third one what we have is 5 power 7 by 5 power 2. 5 power 7 by 5 power 2. 5 power 7 by 5 power 2. So now here the bases are same but they are not in product. It is a ratio or it is nothing but division. So here this we compare with the law, x to the power of m by x to the power of n. It is x to the power of m minus n. So we compare with this and we will do this. So 5 power 7 by 5 power 2 is 5 to the power of 7 minus 2. So what is 7 minus 2? It is 2. So just write 5 to the power of 2. Okay. You write 5 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of 2 is 25. You can write 5 to the power of 2 as 25. So third is completed. Now fourth problem is 9 square into 9 power 18. 9 square into 9 power 18 into 9 power 10. So here clearly the bases are same and all the terms are in product. So whenever the bases are same and the terms are in product, you have to add the powers. So that is 9 to the power of 2 plus 18 plus 10. So 9 to the power of 2 plus 18 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. So the fourth one is 9 to the power of 30. Okay. Then fifth one, it is 3 by 5 whole power 4. 3 by 5 whole power 4 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of 8. 8. Okay. So now here also we find the base and exponent. The base is 3 by 5 and exponent is exponent is 4. Base is 3 by 5 and exponent is 3 in the second one, and in the same thing the third one 3 by 5 is a base and 8 is the exponent. Now all the bases are same and they are in product, so we have to add the powers. So under one base we will add all the powers. 3 by 5 whole power 4 plus 3 plus 8. So 3 by 5 whole power 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So answer is 3 by 5 whole power 15, right? The next one is minus 3 whole power 3 into minus 3 whole power 10 into minus 3 whole power 7. Okay, now here again the bases are same, the base is minus 3 and they are in product, just add the powers. So minus 3 whole power 3 plus 10 plus 7 minus 3 whole power 3 plus 10 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, right? So here minus 3 power 20. Remember one thing, see here what is the power we have? The power is even. Whenever we have an even power, we can eliminate the minus sign. That means you can write minus 3 power 20 as 3 to the power of 20. Why we have to write? The reason is, so for example, you take minus 3 square, it is minus 3 into minus 3, answer is 9. Suppose if you take minus 3 cube, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So whenever we have odd power, we have a minus sign. Whenever we get an even power, we don't have a minus sign. So here minus 3 power 20, the 20 is clearly an even number. So the value of minus 3 power 20 is nothing but 3 power 20. Okay, so we can write minus 3 power 20 as 3 power 20. Whenever you have even number, you can neglect the minus sign. Okay, so copy this. Next problem, 3 square whole square. So 3 square whole square means this is of the form a to the power of m whole to the power of n. It is a to the power of m into n, a to the power of m into n. So this is 3 to the power of 2 2s are, we get 4. So what is 3 square whole square? It is 3 power 4. So if possible we can simplify this 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times we write. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 is the answer. Okay. So next one. Next one is 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. Okay, so here one thing is very important, that powers are same but not the bases. So here bases are not equal, so we cannot add the powers. Okay, we cannot add the powers. So what we can do is, suppose if you get a power m into b power m, this can be written as ab whole power m. Okay, this can be written as ab whole power m. So a power m, b power m, a b, that means a into b whole power m. right? 2 into 3 whole power 4. So 2 3s are 6 to the power of 4. So we can leave this. So what is the answer for this? 6 to the power of 4. So next one. So next one is 2 to the power of 4a into 2 to the power of 5a. 2 to the power of 4a into 2 to the power of 5a. So here the bases are same, we can add the powers. So 2 to the power of 4a plus 5a. So answer is 2 to the power of 9a. Okay, so this is over. Next, after that we have 10 square whole cube. So 10 to the power of 2 into 3 is 6. So here this is of the form a power m whole power m. So it is a power mn. So 10 square whole cube can be written as 10 to the power of, multiply these two, 6, 10 to the power of 6. Okay. So next one is minus 5 by 6 whole square. Minus 5 by 6 whole square, whole power 3, right? Whole power, sorry, it is not 3, it is 5. It is 5. So first what we do is we apply this exponent, this law. A power m whole power m is a power mn. So according to this one, we get minus 5 by 6 whole to the power of 10, because 5 into 2 is 10. As the power is even, we can neglect the minus sign. Just remove the minus sign and write. Whenever we have an even power, you can neglect minus sign. If the power is an odd number, if the powers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and whenever you get this minus sign, write that minus sign as it is. But whenever you get a minus sign and the power is even, you can remove the minus sign. So what is minus 5 by 6 whole power 10? It is 5 by 6 whole power 10. Okay. So next one is 2 to the power of 3a plus 7. 2 to the power of 3a plus 7 into 2 to the power of 7a plus 3. 7a plus 3. Okay. So here again the bases are same, they are in product. So we add the powers. So 2 to the power of 3a plus 7 plus 7a plus 3. We have added all the powers. So 2 to the power of 3a plus 7a is nothing but 10a. 3a plus 7a is 10a plus 7 plus 3 is 10. So what is the answer? It is 2 to the power of 10a plus 10. Okay, so this is completed. The next one is 2 by 3 whole power 5. 2 by 3 whole power 5. So we have 2 by 3 whole power 5. This can be written as 2 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 5. See, we have a law, that is a by b whole power m can be written as a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So 2 by 3 whole power 5 can be written as 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. So we will try to simplify this 2 power 5 by 3 power 5. 2 power 5, this 2 we need to write 5 times, and this 3 we have to write 5 times. After that we will simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are you multiply, you will get 243. So it is 32 by 243. Okay, so note down this.